you are doing fine. And so in today's appointment, I would like to explain about the procedural text. So is there anyone of you who knows about procedural text? Maybe someone?
Oh, me, sir.
Yes, yes.
Procedural text is a text to explain about steps about how to do or to make something.
Correct, but in the better terms, you could use better language, which means to explain about the steps or the sequence of creations or descriptions about something. Alright? Well, thank you for your explanations. So today I would like to divide it into two pairs. First, the first group will be Felix and Isan, and the second group will be Wendra and Edric. I need you to explain a bit about the structures and the language features about the procedural text. I will leave you for about 15 minutes in the group discussions. You can have your time now. Good luck.
Okay.
Alright guys, time is up. Alright then, I would like to have the group 1 to present their discussions. This group 1, time is yours.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir. Now we would like to explain about the structure. So first we must make a list of the ingredient or material and the tool for the activity. After that, make one by one step of the creation of the manual.
To make the text more interesting, you can add a conclusion in the end of the presentation. It could be an encouragement, or maybe you can add a picture of the result of the things you are making. That would be all from us. Thank you.
Thank you, group 1. You may have a seat. Next, group 2, please.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for the opportunity. And because group 1 has explained the structure, now we're going to explain the language feature. So, in a procedure text, it usually uses a simple present tense. And why the simple present tense? Because it's going to be weird if you're using future tense or past tense. Because the ones that's going to read the procedure text is someone that's going to read it at the time being. Okay, after that, there's also an adverb of sequence. You need to use this to explain the procedure text so it's more sequence-like to have it. For example, firstly, secondly, after that, and also, okay.
Okay. Next, I will add some more about the adverb of sequence. It will give, it's to coordinating you in what to do next, in what to do after that. And the last one is the imperative sentence, or as we all know, command sentence. It's to give directions on what to do, on what you have to do next, on what you have to do like after that. Well, that's all for me. I think you all think. Thank you.
Thank you, Eunice. Alright, in my opinion, there was a very good explanation you were given to me. It was easy to understand, and more importantly, it was pretty much simple. Thank you for both of the groups, but unfortunately I have a comment for both of the groups, since you have a similar mistake, a bit of lackness in your explanations. First of all, for the structure, from the group 1, you missed the orientations of the text. So before you want to give an instructions, you have to at least introduce what you want to do, what you want to make, or what you want to give the instructions for. Therefore, the readers and the audience will understand what you are about to do. And the last one about the language feature, there's not much that actually means about the explanations. All you need to add is about only active verbs. Because without active verbs, it would be weird if you use other kind of verbs, right? Like passive verbs and maybe some kind of adjective to switch to active verbs. Maybe that's all from me. Maybe if there's any other questions you would like to ask about this material.
No,
No, sir.
No? Clear?
Clear?
Alright. That will be all from me. Thank you for coming to this class, and I will see you again next week. Bye bye.
Yay!
Thank you, sir.